This is bROK Warrior Receiver Lock Model number 57633. It offers maximum theft protection, 5 times more break resistant, 3 times greater cut resistance, and it's also pick-proof, allegedly. To pick this pick-proof disc detainer lock, I will use a disc detainer pick developed by Lockpicking Lawyer and Bosnian Bill. I'm going to rotate all discs clockwise as far as they'll go. Now I'll use the special pick to turn the discs as needed. With everything in its proper position, the so-called pick-proof lock is now picked open.